One of my subscribers copied my Pinterest marketing strategy and got 2,000 views in one day, an amazing success. Creating articles with ChatGPT and convert this article into human-generated text with secret method means you can also rank these articles on Google, on Quora, and I gain thousands of clicks on my affiliate links. If you want to make $2,000 to $3,000 per week by doing only 1 hour work a day, friends, so do not skip any part of this video. You can also do all these steps from your smartphone. Before watching this video, friends, please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the bell icon button for more money making videos on time. If you do not know about ChatGPT, in short, ChatGPT is a GPT-3 based natural language processing tool developed by OpenAI that allows users to have human-like conversations with an AI chatbot. It can write YouTube descriptions and scripts, it can write content, it can generate AI art, it can code, it can help you decorate your home, and much more. Firstly, go to ChatGPT OpenAI tool for creating an account on ChatGPT, link in the description. Go and sign up onto this website with a Google account. Now again, go to this page. The first step is how to get blog topics in your niche. For this, we need to do some keyword research to find low competition keywords in your niche to rank on Google. For this, go to hsupertools.com. This is the best free SEO tool to find low competition keywords. Link in this description. Go and create an account on this website. After creating an account, go to SEO section and click on this keyword research tool to find keywords. Now, enter your niche keyword. For example, I enter the affiliate marketing keyword, solve this Google CAPTCHA, and click on search the keywords. In a few seconds, this free tool provides you with a list of keywords with providing search volume, competition, and CPC information. Pick up those keywords which have a high search volume but competition is too low. For example, this affiliate marketing Amazon keyword has low competition. Pick up this keyword and create an article around this keyword with ChatGPT tool. For this, go to this website, simply search this query, provide the blog topic titles, then add your niche keyword, and press the enter key. In a couple of seconds, this tool generates 10 different topic ideas related to your niche. Click on this regenerate button to get more different ideas. The second step is how to get blog outlines. Select any one of the title and search this term. Provide the blog outline of this title. In double quotes, add your idea title, then press the enter key. In a few minutes, this tool automatically generates an outline of this idea. The third step is how to get outline content. Simply copy this first blog outline, simply search this term, provide the blog section of this outline, paste the first outline here, and then press enter. ChatGPT automatically writes the introduction of the article in a few seconds, then copies this content from ChatGPT, creates a new Word document file, pastes this content here, adds a heading, for example, introduction, bolds this heading, and selects this text to heading number 3. Now go to this page, again type this search term, provide the blog section of this outline, scroll up and copy this second outline of this blog, scroll down and paste the outline here, then press the enter key. Wait for a few seconds, go to the Word document file, add a second heading, list of 10 side hustles, select this text, click on this button, and select text to heading number 3, bold these all headings. Now go to ChatGPT dashboard, wait a few minutes, copy this entire second outline content from this tool, and paste it here. Repeat this step again and again for all other headings to write a full blog article. Now, after creating a full blog with ChatGPT, it's time to convert the article into human-generated blog. For if you want to rank this blog on Google, for this, copy this content, go to google.com and search DupliChecker article rewriter. Click on this first website. Scroll down and paste the content here, solve this Google CAPTCHA, and click on the rewrite article button. Now, after a few minutes, this tool automatically rewrites the article, clicks on this button, copy this blog from the start to the end, goes to the Word document file, selects all text with Ctrl-A, and paste the rewritten content here. Now change the article font size to 12 and adjust the heading size to 3. For example, select this heading, adjust the size, and bold this heading. Do this same step for all other headings and text. Now after this step, check this blog whether it is human generated or not. For this, copy a few blog lines and go to huggingface.co. This is an AI content detector tool. Paste the content here, wait for a few seconds. Can see this article 95% real means you can rank this article on Google. You know this medium.com article also rank on Google. Now create a writer account on medium.com. Creating an account on Medium is super easy. After creating an account, click on the write button. Copy the blog title from the document and paste it here. Now again go to a Word document, copy the entire article and paste it on the Medium. Now add an image to this blog. For this, click on this plus button, select the image from your computer or smartphone. Click on Add Alt Text and add blog keywords here. For example, side hustle, 10 side hustle ideas without investment. Click on this Save button. Now add multiple affiliate links in your blog to earn commissions. For adding an affiliate link, select any text. Click on this link button, add your affiliate link here. For example, dgstore24.com/affiliate. If anyone clicks on this affiliate link, you earn a commission. Now click on this publish button. Add 5 blog topics so readers know what your story is about. For example, I add side hustle tips, make money online, earn money online, online business, etc. Click on this publish button. After this, create an account on Quora. Click on create a post and publish this same article here to get more exposure and earn more money. Create more articles around your niche by doing some SEO. Your articles easily rank on Google, and you can also earn money by Medium Partner Program and affiliate marketing. Complete 1,000 likes target on this video, friends. Please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the bell icon button for more money making videos on time.